It's going to take a lot less weight, which means you're going to be able to lift lighter and you're going to be able to build more muscle, which is crucial, again, for men that are 40, 50, 60s and beyond. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here and welcome back for another video. All right, this video, it's all about Tricons, man. I'm going to tell you how to use light weights to build big muscle, specifically for you older guys. All right, here's the thing. If you haven't done my Tricon training before, this is the perfect video for you because I'm going to demonstrate how to do it, and I'm going to demonstrate it with 3 different exercises, all right? So first of all, what is Tricon? Tricon stands for triple contraction. Triple contraction training. Typically when people work out, let's use a bench press for instance. You're basically just bringing the weight down, bringing it back up, bringing it down, bringing it back up. All right, so when it comes to contractions, muscle contractions, there's actually 3 key contractions. All right, anytime you're stretching a muscle, I'm lowering the weight, my chest is stretching on the bench press, that's an eccentric contraction. Anytime you're shortening that muscle by pushing that weight up, you'll notice the chest gets shorter. That's a concentric contraction. All right, now here's the third that you don't utilize very often. It's an isometric contraction. So basically, think of yourself going up to a wall and you're pushing up against the wall. Your muscles are neither lengthening or shortening. They're stagnant in one place, but they're still firing. They're still contracting. That's an isometric contraction. So I'm going to show you these 3 exercises. And one thing I want you to get out of this though is this is just the concept of how the Tricons work. I'm also going to give you a beginner, intermediate, and advanced way to do these, but also keep in mind that you're going to be able to utilize this type of technique with a lot more exercises. I'm demonstrating 3, all right, but you can do several different exercises. A lot of compound movements work really well with this as well. Machines are optimal, cables are optimal. So I really enjoy doing Tricons anytime I'm doing a machine. All right, so with that said, let's get to the first exercise. The first one we're going to choose is going to be a lat pull down. I'm going to show you how to do this with a lat pull down bar. And basically, the way the Tricons are set up, you've got 3 different types of contractions. That's the triple contraction method. So what I'm going to want you to do is the first 3 reps, you need to lift those explosively, all right? Control the weight back to the beginning of the movement, but explode that concentric contraction. After the 3 explosive reps, then you're going to do 3 isometric holds. All right, you're going to hold in an isometric position. I'll demonstrate that here. You're doing that for 3 reps. And then you're going to do 3 more reps of a super slow rep range. So there's always going to be 9 total reps, all right? 9 total reps of Tricon sets. The main difference between the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced is going to be the isometric holds. So when we're doing the 3 isometric holds as a beginner, you're going to hold each one for 3 seconds. As you progress and that 3 seconds becomes too easy, I want you to go to 7 seconds with each hold. And then once you're more advanced and you've got the hang of this, you know what it should feel like, then you're going to go to 10 seconds. All right, 10-second holds, and you're always going to get those 9 total reps. Just keep that in mind. All right, so with this, I'm going to do an overhand grip. You can do neutral, which is typically what I recommend, but I'm going to show you an overhand here. So basically, like I said, you want to lock in and you want to get those explosive reps on the way down, explode down, control it up. Explode, control, explode, control. All right, there's your 3 explosive. Now we're going to hold in this contracted position. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007. That's intermediate, all right? 7 seconds. Nice full stretch. Boom, we're going to hold here. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 5, 6, 7. And again, you're doing 3. So nice full stretch. And then hold in this contracted position, the shortened position here, which is the concentric contraction. Again, 7 full seconds if you're doing the intermediate. Then you're going to bring the weight back up. And your last 3 are super slow. I usually say 3 to 4 seconds down, 3 to 4 seconds up. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, slow, and under control. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. That is a Tricon set. That's one set. So you'll notice we did 9 total reps. That's a key point you have to remember when you're doing these, all right? And you'll also notice I'm holding in the largest contracted position, the shortened position. So down with a lat pull down is at the very bottom. Your lats are the shortest in that position. As you extend the weight back up, then they're stretching, all right? So it's the shortened position. Now, give you a little bit further demonstration. We're gonna move over to cable crossovers, all right? This is actually more of a cable fly movement, but typically it's gonna be the same thing. We're still gonna do the 3 explosive, 3 holds. I'll demonstrate as a beginner with 3-second holds, and then 3 super slow reps. The key here, chest is stretched in this position, shortened in that position. That's where the holds are gonna be. All right, you really wanna make sure you are holding and contracting as hard as possible with each hold. So really focus on that mind-muscle connection when you're holding in the isometric position of all the exercises. That's gonna be crucial, all right? So let me get this set up for you. Again, nice full stretch, explode the weight, full stretch, explode, one more explosive. Now this time we go to that full stretch and then contracting, 1001, 1002, 1003. Nice and slow on the way back. 1001, 1002, 1003. Nice full stretch again. 1001, 1002, 1003. Now the super slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see how I was in complete control of every rep. That's gonna be the key to this, all right? And here's the thing about Tricon that is so crucial. When you are doing this, you don't need near as much weight. So don't try to max out your weights. I would rather you really pay attention to that mind-muscle connection. Really focus on contracting the muscle in that shortened position as hard as you can. All right, so we got a back demonstration, a chest demonstration. Now I'm gonna show you a quad demonstration. I really love doing Tricons with my legs, because one thing about a lot of men that work legs, you tend to need a lot more weight if you're doing back squatting, front squatting, hack squats, leg press. A lot more weight is usually required to stimulate the muscle as much as possible. With Tricons, you get to reduce that weight significantly. So you're still gonna get tremendous hypertrophy benefits, meaning you're gonna build more muscle, but it's also a lot healthier for your joints, which is why these are crucial for older men. Most men have a lot of wear and tear in those joints. All right, so when you're doing the Tricon training, you're using a lot less weight, and you're not moving through that full range of motion with as many repetitions or with as much volume. So that's gonna be a whole lot better on your joints, all right? So I'm gonna demonstrate this one on a leg extension. Again, I love doing this with a lot of leg exercises. Leg press is one of my favorites because you can get a great contraction in those quads, your glutes, everything works really well with the leg press. And when you're in that hold, that isometric position, your muscles are firing without having to use so much weight. All right, so let's show you how this works. Same thing, set up, contract explosively. Up, nice and slow. Explode, nice and slow. Control the explosion though. You don't want the weights you don't want to kick the weights up, meaning you don't want to do that. All right, if you're bringing the weights too high like that, that's going to create too much tension on those knees. All right, so it's explosive, but it's controlled explosion, all right? So fast. After those 3, we'll do an advanced one here. So we'll go here, 1001, 1002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice, slow, under control. Back to that shortened position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2. Slow. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 10. Now you're 3, super slow. We're gonna get back to the bottom position. 1,001, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more rep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 full reps. You've seen the intermediate, the beginner, and the advanced. So basically it's just a matter of getting that isometric contraction under control. And one thing I do want you to understand is you still want to push yourself though. All right, I'm using light, extremely lightweight for demonstration purposes, but at the end of the day, you want to maximize what you need to lift with each of these Tricon sets. So again, it's going to be significantly less weight than what you're usually doing when you're doing standard reps. So that's going to be the key benefit. It's going to take a lot less weight, which means you're going to be able to lift lighter and you're going to be able to build more muscle, which is crucial, again, for men that are 40, 50, 60s and beyond. All right, so there you have it. That's Tricon in a nutshell. Again, experiment with this, man. Different exercises, try it out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this video. And as always, man, get busy, get after it, and God bless.